The next question I get is, how long is it going to take me to go from product idea to manufacturer all the way through to having a product in my hands? I would plan on 90 to 120 days if I were you. And that's if you've done a good planning process and you already know exactly what you want. It's about 30 days for you to work through that design with the manufacturer, and then 90 days for the actual production and shipping to your location. That's if you're going overseas. It's much faster if you do that in the US. But do you have to be an expert at graphic design to go through a product development process? No. Your manufacturer, regardless of where they are, has in-house graphic designers. Worst case scenario, hop on Fiverr, hop on Freelancer, find someone who can be your designer for specific product packaging. But your manufacturer has die line templates that they use to make whatever it is that you're trying to get them to make, and they can do it for you. They'll help you out in that process. We always advise going through a sample process with the manufacturer where you're going to have them make this design and then make actual samples or prototypes and send it to you so you can put your hands on it, touch it and feel it, and make sure it's exactly how you want it to be. Now, we're going to breeze through product development because this is not the area that we need to put a lot of focus on. The planning is far more important. So design your product, get samples of your product, go into production and place your order. The important thing here is that you are thinking through the relationship you're going to have with this supplier long term. Be the brand suppliers like to work with. So what are the things that are going to piss off your foreign manufacturer before you ever get started? I don't know, someone coming in and saying they want to order 10 units of an item. Don't be the person that hurries them to rush to get them through certification processes to make the product that you need them to make, and then when it's time to pay the bill, you ghost them. Yeah, they're going to hate you for that, and they're not going to work with you in the future either. When a manufacturer asks you what color you want something to be, don't tell them like, oh, maybe like a reddish blue, purple, I like green. Know what you want. And by the way, buy a Pantone book. Pantone colors tell them exactly what Pantone you want that color to be. Otherwise, you're just wasting their time. They don't want to go through a back and forth process 12 times with you to figure out what color of red or what shade of red you want it to be. Just give them the damn Pantone color and be done with it. And don't be an unresponsive buyer. If they reach out to you and they're contacting you, respond quickly, the same way that you'd want them to do to you.